In a geometric progression, the first term is 217 and the common ratio is 2/3. So from here we know A is 217 and R is 2/3. Find the maximum value of n such that the sum of first n term of the progression is less than 650. So from here we know that the sum of first n term, so Sn lah, is less than 650. Then you want to find the maximum value of n. So we're just going to substitute the formula. So A times 1 minus Rn over 1 minus R less than 650. So A value you already know, 217, and then 1 minus 2/3 power n, because we don't know what is n, right, over 1 minus R, R is 2/3, 1 minus 2/3 less than 650. So what we can do is we can actually use the calculator to count this part. Okay, 1 minus 2/3 is 1/3. So you take 217 divide by 1/3, you should get your answer 651. So 651 times 1 minus 2/3 power n less than 650. So what are we going to do? We are going to shift the 651 to the other side, so it becomes divide. So here we have 1 minus 2/3 n less than 650 divided by 651. Okay, so we're going to bring the 1 over, so it's going to be 650 minus 651, so it's going to be negative 2/3 power n less than negative 1/651. Okay, so what are we going to do now? So we're going to shift the negative over. So when you shift the negative over, don't forget the sign must change. So you get 2/3 power n more than 1/651. Okay, a lot of people make the mistake of not turning the sign. If you don't turn, then your answer will be incorrect. So now what are you going to do? So what we're going to do is we're going to use log. Okay, we're going to use log. So when you change it to log, you're going to get, I'm going to use log base 10. So log 2/3 base 10. So the n, which was supposed to be on top here, I'm going to bring it forward. Okay, more than log 1/651. Okay, I'm going to use log. So you have to shift the log 2/3. Now here's the thing, because log 2/3 is less than 1, so you can actually use your calculator. Log 2/3, so you get, it's not less than 1, less than 0, so you get a negative value. So when you get less than 0, when it's a negative value and you shift the negative value, again same like this situation here just now, the sign will change. So in this case the sign will change again. So n is less than log 1/651 divide by log 2/3. Okay, so you get your answer. N is less than 15.978, or you can approximate to 15. That's the largest value of n, the maximum value. Okay, question B, the difference between the fifth term and the sum of all terms. So in this case, question B, they're asking for the difference, right? Difference means you must minus these two values. So first one they want you to find is T5, term number 5. So term 5 is, the formula is AR n minus 1, right? So in this case, the fifth term, so we're going to use 217 times 2/3 power 4. Okay, so you can straight away calculate this, put in your calculator, you get your answer. I'll write in fraction, 3472 over 81. Okay, I don't want to round up first, so I write in fraction. Next, they want you to find sum of all terms. So all terms means sum of infinity. So A over 1 minus R. So A is 217 over 1 minus over 3. Same thing, straight away key in your calculator, you get 651. So now they ask for the difference. So the difference, since 651 is bigger, so we're going to take sum of infinity minus the fifth term. So you should get 651 minus 3472 over 81. So your answer is 608.1358, or you can write 3 decimal 135, up to you. Okay, so this is your answer.